General Electric PXRQ15RBL Reverse Osmosis Premium Water Filtration System. General Electric delivers a 3-stage reverse osmosis drinking water system. Unfortunately, the price tag has fooled many into believing that the model is a top-of-the-line product. Of the common complaints, installation is the most irritating. Many people purchase a reverse osmosis drinking water system believing it's an easy DIY project. GE's PXRQ15RBL water filtration system requires a plumber, and you can avoid damage to the system and your counters by calling a plumber in the first place. Another complaint is the noise level. As the General Electric's water system fills, its tank often emits a loud gurgling sound. This noise is loud enough to hear multiple rooms away. General Electric is known for refusing to either replace defective products or accept returns.